Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Welcome to part 2, only because I worked on this the other day and it was okay, it was interesting. I got to test out some less than desirable gold paint and some schmutz, but it needs something and I'm not sure if I can even add something, but I might try to add something without thinking too much about it, because I can. Because I want to. And hopefully I can. I'm just going to keep playing until I figure something out. And I might be very tempted to just follow a whim now and again. I just need some balance, and I don't really feel like it had it. I am looking for the white as opposed to the white pearl. I've got a lot of texture. I'm not sure if I can do anything with what I'm adding to the canvas. I know that's too much. And it's too late too, because the texture is going to suck it right in. Whatever I add to this is going to be textured. And I just feel like having a good time with it, because I think it's a waste otherwise. It wasn't bad, it just wasn't great. Oh, come on out. There doesn't seem to be ever a time when I can keep this bottle free flowing. I'm going to try it one more time. Now it's free flowing. Okay then, we got a lot of that. Maybe we're supposed to have it. It doesn't look terrible yet. I'm all good with that. Just sort of adding lines and filling in where I feel like it, and hoping that I don't get a massive amount of paint coming out. I've got that blue that I loved that went in there. No, it's not the same blue, but it is similar blue, and it's a blue I do love. It started out as a color shift from folk art and became what I wanted it to be when I added unicorn spit. Kind of wanted to add some black in there. I don't like it when that happens, I gotta say. I'm not sure what to do about that. Usually I can peel it up with a bamboo skewer, but in this case not so much. Might have to be some black. Where is my black? Might have to be some purple. No, we'll go for the black. Actually, the black has a really wide open spigot on the top of it, so let's not do that. Let's go for something a little smaller. Alright, that's not great, but it's not horrible either. Just need it to be a little wider. I'm very tempted to try the gold, but I think while I'm here, just administering a little bit of this and a little bit of that, that's the little bit I want to add. And because that gold is on that white, didn't mean to cross that purple line, but that's okay. I'm going to at least repeat the same process over here. And maybe, since I started it, I ought to continue on with that. It's nice that the nozzle flows on this gold. Really nice, actually. I wonder if I could get away with some magenta. Magenta is very dark, and wow. I'm a lot nervous about that coming out too fast. Yes, and I had good reason to be. Let's just grab some of that. Dry canvas. Wonder what the magenta does with the gold. It's not great, it's not bad. It is kind of fun though. It's definitely kind of fun. Like I said, we're going to expect there to be texture. It's tempting to like swipe and see what happens just because we could. If there's a puddle of paint, we might as well utilize it. And there's definitely a puddle of paint. It's just really dangerous to try and move much of that because of the texture of drag marks on the surface. Must have gone back through and scraped quite a bit. I really want more of that orange, but this is a very dangerous dispenser. So maybe I'll just fall short. And then link them up. Like that. I'm really being called to the lighter orange color. Where are you, lighter orange color? That's got a huge spigot on it. We're going to go for the smaller one. Not hating that. I did something recently that reminded me of this. And I'm not hating that either. I do want a little more white. Because I kind of eradicated it. I'm inclined to let the things that are melding over the edges meld. There I am. I'm just going to give myself permission. The white in the background is metallic. And I'm actually kind of pleased with that. Surprise, surprise. Well, I guess you guys are probably used to me being pleased with myself, so. But believe me, there were a whole lot of... Really? That's not one of those moments. A whole lot of years when I wasn't all that thrilled. I'll just have to put up with that. This is going to have an adjustment. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link under Show More. What can I put in here that's not... You know what? I've got some colors up here. Why don't I just see if I can use them? Might as well, right? Nothing ventured, nothing gained. What else do I want in there? I'll kind of join those together. It's a very raised texture. Definitely raised. Not sure why. Might be the weird paint I started with. But I think I'm going to quit. And tell you guys, if you want to help me out, watch the videos longer. It's the only thing the YouTube algorithm understands. I'm just going to be finding little puddles of paint and pulling on them. I've done this before, or similar things. This is one of my MOs for sure. This area down here doesn't have much of anything in it, so I guess I'm really not done. But I don't want to put anything in there that's so bizarre. Let's put something in there that's even more bizarre than what I was thinking. And maybe some more somewhere else. On the other side. Everywhere? My muse is suddenly in charge. I don't think it hurt a thing. Not a thing. Kind of wanted some more of that blue, and I think I'm going to give it to myself too. Come on out, if it'll come out. Just when she thought she was done. Can't trust me. We know that. If I say I'm done, I'm probably not. That's probably the way that works. So where was I? I do sell my artwork. I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. And we have a ball. Under the video you can find a paint pouring recipe. Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. You can find on Facebook a place to look for tomorrow's video, which is Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, which is also a good place for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is a good place for people who have checked out what I've got on YouTube and are looking to see if I have managed to find the time to edit some of those pictures. And I have. There's several hundred there, I believe. At last. You know, it's been a while. Every once in a while I add another 100 or so. There's quite a bit there, but so this is the last spot that I think I want to add something, and the something I want to add is telling me to be white. And maybe some black in the middle, or some what? Some purple. Yes. Could have been orange. I think that's it. I think it's weird. There's no doubt it's weird, but it's also very cool. And that is fresh paint, which means whatever I did to smear that can go away. If there's anomalous marks in there, except for that can't stay. That needs to go away right now. That's bumming me out. Sometimes I nudge the bottle into the paint. That's a color shift from folk art, and that's one of my favorite colors. And this is all really good. I know I said I was done, and I got 3 minutes left, so I guess I'm not done, because I see that it would be really cool to just add some more texture via dots. How many times is she going to say she's done? As many times as it takes. Just wherever I think it would be nice to draw the eye out. No, not there. I am almost done, I promise. So, I told you about watching the video longer. I told you, other times I've told you about Teespring, which has got all-over print t-shirts and all-over print leggings and a lot of other things, and that's the clothing you see below any of my videos. There is a monthly drawing. I keep calling it a contest, but it's not a contest. If you contribute $10 or more to keep the studio rolling, I really appreciate it. Thank you to everybody who has, by the way. You're automatically entered to have your name drawn to win 3 of the 15 artworks this month. It changes every month, and you can look for the place to find those artworks on the end screens of any video. So a little distraction right there will be fine. Cool. I kind of want some magenta now. That's sad. Oh well. It's not really coming out very well, so I don't think it's a problem. It's mixing with the orange. But I'm pretty happy with this. I'm a lot happier than I was with it for a little while. I didn't think it was going to turn into anything I liked. And I do like it. It'd make a nice spot in somebody's house to draw attention. Good conversation piece. I think I told you I sell my artwork. You can find the email address for that, and if you're interested in taking a lesson at the house in Spring Hill, Florida with me, also same email address. Just give me contact. Leave a message if you call on the phone, because the robocalls in Florida are absurd, and very seldom do we actually answer the phone. But if I hear it's you, I will answer, I promise. So what else did I forget to tell you? All kinds of stuff. I want your thumbs up. Can you please give it to me? If you watch the videos longer, you tell the YouTube algorithm that I'm worthy of better placement, which it does not seem to understand. But thank you guys for all the wonderful comments and the compliments and keeping my morale boosted while times are weird at YouTube. I really, really appreciate that. And I'm all done. And I'm probably not going to torch just because I'm nervous about burning something else. Maybe I should hit it real quick anyway. If I decided I wanted something else in here tomorrow, I could do it, but I love the pattern over pattern. I really do. I wasn't sure I would, but I definitely do. It's great colors, cheerful little piece, fun and funky, strange little shapes, including that one that I want to fix right now. Before I go any further, I should check my crib sheet. I'm sure you guys are almost gone. I said thank you. Thank you for all the donations that kept me painting, by the way. If you shop my Amazon link under Show More under the video, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out eventually. Yeah, I did it. I torched and then I tried to move paint, and it's just a very abstract piece of artwork, and that's all. If you share my videos, I really, really appreciate it. It might help me out. Check my playlists on creative playlists on my channel. For 10 lists of 100, 1 list that's being populated, and 13 lists by the genre. And if you're in the mood to binge watch me, I've got all the videos you could want. There's about 1,200 of them. This has balance now, so no matter how imperfect it is, it's more balanced than it was. And coming up here is the only way that I was ever going to see that needs to go there. Finish that line. Alright, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery saying, I love you guys! Thank you for stopping. I hope you stop again. Check for tomorrow's video if you want on the community board on my channel or on Facebook Expressionist Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I will see you anon. Make sure that's level. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Hey, that looks even better up here than it does down there. Cool. Bye. Thanks for joining me. I love you guys.